On the first day of Christmas, I give my iPad tip. Remove distractions from such websites. Hi everyone, and welcome to the first iPad tip for Christmas. On this first tip, we're going to be looking at how students can avoid distractions like adverts and different links within a website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Safari. Please bear in mind, this will only work in the Safari browser. So let's go to Safari and go and open up a news website or a website where you want the students to avoid the distractions. Now you can see on this one, there's lots of distracting articles that they could potentially click on. Some websites have got adverts, which we need to avoid, which can be very distracting. What we can do is we can go up to these two capital A's in the corner here. So let's tap on that and we can go to Show Reader. What that will now do, it will make it look like a PDF kind of document where we can now scroll down and the students can actually use this without any of the distractions from the website. In tomorrow's tip, we will look at how we can screenshot the website that you've chosen, annotate it, and then save it as a PDF.